Quickly detox from someone who hurt you. Listen to this when you've had an argument, felt anger, or experienced any kind of aggression from someone specific, or when just thinking about that person starts to generate negative emotions like hatred, grudges, resentment, or hurt feelings. Rate from 1 to 10 how much discomfort thinking about that person causes you right now. 1 is the least possible impact, and 10 is the maximum level of discomfort. First, we'll separate that person's energy from yours and yours from theirs. We erase all weaknesses individually and combined to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time. We level them to be centered, balanced, and stable. We connect the upper brain with the lower brain and the lower brain with the upper brain. Yours with yours, theirs with theirs, yours with theirs, and theirs with yours. We go top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, backward, forward, and forward, backward. 100% with infinite potential all the time with endless time. We clear all unresolved issues between you and this person in all lives, including those from ancestors and descendants in this life and others, to 0 minus infinity, constantly with infinite time. We erase all karmas, direct, indirect, partial, both ways, for causing and allowing repeated harm without limits. We clear away negative perceptions and misunderstandings between you, that person, and your families. We erase all of this from you and beyond you to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. We remove misconceptions others close to who hurt you might have about you. We clear distortions, lies, and slander between you to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time. We erase the energetic weakness created during the conflict. We clear this from that person, you, the physical space, and all involved parties. We'll remove resistance to forgiveness, releasing anger and hurt unconditionally. We eliminate weaknesses by staying neutral. We remove misconceptions about forgiving and being forgiven. Stay strong and neutral about forgiveness both ways. We clear distorted perceptions of events for all involved. We remove all traces of energy from the peak moment. We eliminate resistance to unconditional forgiveness. We clear cumulative effects of conflicts across lives. We remove emotions triggered by these discussions. We separate weakening emotions and reactions. We reset to be balanced humans 100% of the time. We strengthen positive emotions and reactions. and reactions of flexibility, maturity, calm, balance, centeredness, and neutrality at 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time within finite limits. Let's eliminate all ego driven, weakening self talk in both you and that person. We must increase humility, generosity, understanding, kindness, and objectivity in everyone involved. We eliminate the suffering caused by ego driven energy. We remove your focus from that person, the conflict, and yourself. We remove others' thoughts about you, the conflict, and themselves. We eliminate the mind's resistance to letting go of control, reason, blame, demands, reproach, and the need to win. We strengthen the mind to remain neutral and send it to other universes, dimensions, time, space, dark matter, black holes, and unknown realms. And we strengthen it to remain and stay strong 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time within finite limits. Let's erase the pain from unmet expectations, unspoken words, and actions not taken. We remove weakness from not being neutral, from being neutral, from lacking control, and from not being right or acknowledged. We'll eliminate excess cortisol and adrenaline in you and that person. We send them to the lymphatic system, strengthening channels, ducts, fluids, centers, and lymph nodes 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time within finite limits. We'll boost oxytocin to optimal levels in you and that person. 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time within finite limits. It takes strength to accept that what was said, done, and damaged often reflects our own pain, not others. Strength to forgive or not, excuse or not, understand or not, move forward or back or stay put. The lymphatic system, 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 strong for sameness, difference, change, no change, perception, no perception, strong for all positive, not positive, negative, not negative, neutral, strong for being mindless, spiritless, and empty. We strengthen neutral for positive. We strengthen relaxation, effort, and tension, thoughts, emotions, and feelings, strong and neutral for this to improve or not, to stop feeling or continue feeling, to continue or not continue feeling. We strengthen the middle ground for both. Mental thought, automatic thought. We strengthen emotions, sensations, and reactions to self and each other. We strengthen so that both are centered on balanced and stable, strong in facing all that affects, disturbs, or worries them, resilient to positive, negative, good, bad, fear, and change, strong cranial brain, strong spine, meninges, sacrum, coccyx, and tail, strong and neutral for positive and negative, strengthening the mind to be replaced by physical intelligence, eliminating weaknesses caused by neutrality, releasing resistance to letting go and forgiving unconditionally, erasing to zero minus infinity 100% of the time infinitely, strong to connect with all moments of neutrality across lifetimes. We remove misconceptions about reasoning and thinking. We eliminate 6 levels of influence affecting this relationship. We remove fear, anger, and greed. We erase all energy causing these emotions and situation. We nullify its cumulative effect to zero minus infinity. We strengthen all geometries we work with to infinite potential. We remove blocks to transmute emotions into peace and love. We strengthen to erase completely, infinitely. Reset, recalibrate, and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit. Think of this person again and check your emotional state. If needed, replay this strengthening until you reach zero. Thank you.